Hey guys, Shreyaan here, and Microsoft has finally introduced Windows 365 Cloud PC to the public. So, if you're unaware of what this is, it's basically Windows 10 running in the cloud, and you can access it from any device. Yes, you heard that correct, any device. So, if I want, I can access this from my phone, and I can access it from an iPad, from even like a laptop, a Mac, a desktop, anything that has a browser. So as you can see on my screen that you can stream it to any device, and you can personalize your PCs. Like for, you see this in the screenshots over here, 8 virtual CPU cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and over here you see this has 8 and this has 4. So of course you can customize them to however you want, and they're pretty powerful if you spec them correctly. And this is mainly meant for businesses and enterprise customers, but I got a free trial of this, and I'm going to see how it compares to the actual version of Windows which runs natively. So here I have it remoted into using the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. So first of all, I tried doing some very simple things like running a speed test. So if you're unaware, this is the speed getting at Microsoft servers. So this machine, which is like the physical hardware, is connected to Microsoft servers. So let's run a speed test live right now and see how much speed we get. And I'll insert some screenshots of like the highest speed I've gotten. Alright, this is pretty fast. 5000 megabits point per second, and this is actually really fast too. Okay, so despite these results, these are crazy results. In real day test cases, you won't even get this speed anywhere close. So just as a comparison, I'll fire up speed test on my Mac and show you the speed test right now I'm getting. So this is going to be where I am in Hong Kong. So you can see it's not that fast. So you see this is just like an average broadband connection. Sometimes I get more, sometimes I get around 200, but still nothing compared to the Windows 365. Alright, so it's nearly done. I'm just going to quickly switch connections and try again to the better 5G connection and hopefully get some better speeds. Alright, so it's switched over. I should be getting better speeds now, and let's hit go. So already I'm getting way better speeds. It's going down a bit, which is a bit unexpected. Oh, it's climbing back, yeah. So you can see the speeds are pretty good for this, and let's see the upload speed. These are pretty nice too. So again, I also insert a screenshot of speed test of like in my home, how much speed I'm getting. So this is a speed test in my home, top speed, and this is at Microsoft servers. You can see pretty good change. So the fastest I've ever gotten is 177 and average is 80. You can already see it here. So and over here, I've done 5 tests so far, and you can see the highest is 5966, which is insanely fast, and the average is still way over 5,000, sorry. So let's see the specs of this machine. I'm pretty sure you guys are interested into that. So this has an Intel Xeon Platinum 8168, which is running at 2.7 gigahertz. So this has 2 cores. So the one I have, it's 2 cores, which isn't that many cores, but it's 2 cores and 4 threads. So it's nothing mind-blowing, but it's fine. So it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is comparatively a little less. Nowadays machines have 8, and some even have 32 gigabytes of RAM, but considering this is running in the cloud, it's fine. So I'm pretty sure it have both hard drives, and this hard drive that I have is 128 gigabytes. You can see I've used a bit already. for some tests I'm going to show you in the later part of the video. So just looking here, I have some screenshots of the fastest things I've gotten. So this is a speed test I did. You can see 5006.68, and another one which I got even faster speeds for upload is this one, which is I got 4292.30. This is pretty fast. Alright, so I tried downloading a bunch of games from the Xbox Game Pass library, but none of them seem to be working. Mainly because they don't support DirectX 12. This doesn't also have an integrated GPU, it's just a standalone GPU. So I can't get any games to launch. I tried Minecraft Dungeons, I've tried Forza Horizon 5, Forza Horizon 4, Microsoft Flight Simulator, every single good game, and it just doesn't work. So I've decided to download Cinebench. So let's benchmark this machine right now, and let's see how much it scores. Let's start. Give it a second, and I'll fast forward this for you so you don't have to wait and sit around. Okay, so it's already failed. Not enough memory. Alright. I think it's still going for it. Let's see how long it takes. Again, I'll just fast forward for you. Okay, so after waiting and trying many times, it doesn't seem to be working at all. Maybe just a limitation from Microsoft server side. Maybe they're blocking this. So why don't we try something else? So first of all, I'll go to the Xbox game library. You can see it launches pretty fast, and let's see if you know what, I'll do a disk speed test. So I'll download Crystal Disk Mark. There we go, let's download it, and let's download it. The website seems a bit broken, but I think it should down. Yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah, let's give it all the access it needs, accept to the agreements, and let's just create a desktop shortcut and install. Okay, finish, and let's see how fast the disk in this system is. Okay, health status, we don't know anything, and all we know that this is a virtual hard drive and it's connected to launch. Okay, so now it should work. Yeah, and if I just do all, let's see how fast. So it's doing 1 gigabyte right now, 5 rounds of 1 gigabyte. Let's see. This is again sequential read and sequential write once it gets to the right one. 1 out of 5, so it's starting the first round. 200 megabytes per second, not bad. 210, not bad. So I'm guessing this is a really fast high-end hard drive or SSD. Let's see, sequentials read are nearly done, and interval time for 5 seconds for the drive to slow down a bit. And now sequentials read again. Pretty similar results. I'll also pull up Task Manager so you can see the drive status. So we're hitting C drive. Approximate average response time is less than 10 milliseconds. Oh, less than 15. And read speeds to 208, 75. Okay, so interval time again. What I'm going to do is stop them and change it to 1. So now the test should be faster. And if you're wondering why I'm not running Windows 11 on this, is because I tried and it failed, so I had to completely wipe the PC and reinstall it, like reinstall Windows 10. So because I think Windows 11 requires some hardware that is currently not activated or not installed in the servers that Microsoft has. So there's a handy utility that I downloaded, which is, let's find it really quick. It should be in my downloads. Let me have a quick look while they finish the test. Yeah, why not win11.exe? So I'll link it down below, and this is basically the boot method is legacy. It doesn't have DirectX 12, and there's no GPT detection of partition type. Secure boot is disabled. TPM is missing or disabled. So Microsoft did say that they would enable Windows 11 once it's out for the public, but not just yet. So hopefully I'll try running it again on Windows 11 once Windows 11 is out. You can see at the end they got a bit slow when we were doing stuff, and this is pretty good actually. You can see it's actually really good. Once this test finishes, which is like about to, then we'll move on to something else. So now it's doing random write, not sequential. Random write is significantly slower, 2 megabytes per second. And there we go, it's all done. So now I'm going to try running Cinebench again, and hopefully do a speed test again for fun, because it's just good seeing this thing spike up so high. It's not every day you see a speed so high, so enjoy. Well, this finished really quickly. Insanely fast speeds. Literally finishes within seconds. I'll try running Cinebench again. No response. That means okay. So Cinebench is not going to run on this, and I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video if you want more content like this and you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.